स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगी the most honorable, the most desirable, the most handsome, the most fantabulous, the most fantastic, the most mystic, the most Mysterian voice of Kashmir, old gold, bold and handsome Janab Farooq Rendu Shah Sahab. सर आपके लिए एक शेर अगर आप मौका दे तो। जिस बज़्म में सागर हो, जिस बज़्म में सागर हो, न सहबा हो न खम हो, रिंदों को तसल्ली है, रिंदों को तसल्ली है कि इस बज़्म में आप हो।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया महाजन जी। I'll speak in 3 languages. मैं अंग्रेजी भी बोलूँगा, मैं उर्दू हिंदी उसमें भी बात करूँगा, कश्मीरी में भी, क्योंकि आज मैं अपनी ऑनरेबल जो हमारे मोस्ट मोहतरम जो हमारे कश्मीर डिवीजन के हेड है, जिसके हवाले सारी कश्मीर है, सारी वादी है, हमारे डिविजनल कमिश्नर जनाब पोली साहब, यहाँ पे इन्होंने इन हालात में भी इस वक्त भी इस महफिल के लिए अपना वक्त निकाला। मेरे ख्याल में ये भी अपनी जब हम तारीख रकम करेंगे आज 111 किताबों को जो हम पेश करने जा रहे हैं, उसमें ये भी जरूर दर्ज होगा कि हमारे डिविजनल कमिश्नर खुद यहाँ पे तशरीफ ले आए। इससे पहले हमारे काफी साहब यहाँ पे मौजूद है जो हमारे हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट है। हमने चंद दिनों पहले हमारे जो लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर है उनको भी उनके ऑनर में एक सूफी बहुत बड़ी फंक्शन हुई मरकज नूर की तरफ से, जिनके साथ हमारी कश्मीर सोसाइटी इंटरनेशनल का MOU है, फॉर्मल जो हम जुड़े हुए हैं कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ थ्रू मरकज नूर। हमारे साथ हमारे मोहतरम मीरवाइज साहब है, मीरवाइज नॉर्थ जिसका अपना मकाम है। इनका मीरवाइज साहब का यहाँ पे तशरीफ ले आना, वो भी शरीफ बुखारी साहब का जो कि मुराद हजरत मुराद के जानशीनों सजादा नशीन और डिसिडेंट्स में है। हमारे साथ शेखुल आलम दरगाह के मुतवली आला जनाब हाजी यूनुस साहब है, जिनके हवाले दरगाह है। और यहाँ पे मैं जरूर डिविजनल कमिश्नर साहब के नोटिस में लाऊंगा कि जब वो दरगाह नजर आतिश हुआ 1995 में, ये रोते बलकते रहे, खून के आंसू बहाते रहे, लेकिन 12 साल वो खानकाह पनाह किसी ने नहीं बनाया। कुछ खुदा का करना, मैं वहां के इलाके का डिप्टी कमिश्नर बना और 12 साल के बाद वो खानकाह पनाह इनके ताउन से, इलाके के ताउन से हमने दोबारा तामीर किया। हमारे इस मुख्तदर महफिल में नक्शबंदी नूरानी साहब का क्या कहना, अभी तो इनकी तिलावत ही, इनका कलाम ही इनका बयान है। हमारे किरमानी साहब एक बहुत बड़े दानिश्वर ये जो माने जाते हैं, हमारे गुलशन पब्लिकेशन के जो हमारे हेड है, जिन्होंने आज जिनकी बहुत सारी किताबें जो अंग्रेजी में वर्ल्ड वाइड ग्लोबल, ये नोट करें आज की इस महफिल में ग्लोबल। एंड हमारे डॉक्टर ताबी साहब जो हमारी जमात एतकाद के से रूह रवां है, और हमारे साहिरी जी ने मुझे खुद कहा जो डायरेक्टर इंफॉर्मेशन है कि मेरी तरफ से वहां पे हमारे रियाज साहब होंगे। तो रियाज ये भी खुद मखदूम जो मखदूम साहब है वहां पे क़याम पज़ीर भी है। और यहाँ पे in this matter I want to tell and I want to keep it in record that Kashmir is not an ordinary place. Kashmir is a mystery, as rightly she has said. Kashmir is a name of such mystery in the world that you cannot unknot it unless you penetrate deep in Kashmir. Unless you go and what is the topic of our conference is titled Sufism, 700 years roots in Kashmir. 700 roots. In these 700 years, we have groomed Kashmir. We have made Kashmir. We have made it as an abode of love. We have made Kashmir as a civilization. And who made it? Who were the persons who made it? They were our Sufi awliya. They were Sufi saints. Whether Sufi saints were Hindus, whether they were Pandits, whether they were Muslims, they were the humans. You read them, Lakum dinakum waliyadeen. Lakum dinakum waliyadeen. You respect other religions, and their religion will also automatically respect with them. It has been in practicality adopted in Kashmir, Divisional Commissioner Ji. I may tell you, sir, Lawrence was also a Divisional Commissioner. He was the first who has explored the Kashmir and who has written about, he has mapped the Kashmir. Our Jona Raja as well as Raj Tarangini's author, Dr. Kalhana. Dr. Kalhana says that no sword on earth, you can conquer it only through instrument of love. If you possess love for Kashmir, Kashmir is all for you. Kashmir is to be tied up through the instruments of love. And who has taught this instrument of love? Taught by us, Hazrat Bulbul Shah. I had the honor of holding the same conference in Vigangaon, where beside is the Prime Minister of the present time. He presided. I was so impressed. He presided the Sufi conference in Vigangaon, New Delhi. And there were so many scholars from Baghdad. There were so many scholars from other countries. There were even Dr. Tahir Qadri, as everybody knows, is the symbol of the Sufiyat. He was there. And when I spoke there that I am a proud Kashmiri. I am a proud Kashmiri Muslim. As a proud Kashmiri Muslim, what I do is I recite 99 names of Allah. He's a painter. Allah Musawwir bhi hai. Allah creator bhi hai, Khaliq bhi hai. Allah Malik bhi hai. Allah Qahar bhi hai. Jaise Corona ka Qahar hai. Allah healer bhi hai. What is God? What Allah is, and Allah belongs to all of us. It is not only for Hindus the sun has been created. It's not only for Hindus Qamar has been created. It's not only for Muslims these stars have been created. It is not only for Christians the sky has been created. It has been created for all of us. That is the Sufiyat. That is what Sufi people have taught us. If you have to build Kashmir, if you have to create a Kashmir, you have to create a Kashmir through these people. I have no words to say what audience is today. I have no words. Everybody is in a institution. Everybody, 1 lakh people are attached with everybody. How? Because he is an author. He has been read by 1 lakh people. He has been read by 10,000 people. He has been read by everybody. Everybody who is in, we never had the number of cheers. Otherwise, everybody should have been. They are the people who are the stars of this all Kahkashan. They are the stars. They are the glittering personalities who have assembled here. Ajit Saab is before me. Around 10, 11 books. I think the Fajr is before me. Abid is before me. I think around everybody. Shams Fakir is before me. There's Badgam is before me. Dr. Mubarak Ahmad Mubaraki. There is Aslam Hakim Saab. Just we were in Khanamol Khan Saab, where we have released his book, and so many. I can't, if I will start counting, but they will be honored by you today, sir. You will be doing such a great thing in the Kashmir, sir, today, when the authors will really, some are being posthumously being awarded, who are not yet, who are, their sons will come, or some have written in Kashmiri, Anposhitele Elvan Posh. ये हमारा स्लोगन भी अगर आप देखेंगे नीचे लिखा हुआ है Anposhitele Elvan Posh. Anposh Telugu, Anposh Koshut. It is a Kashmiri word. Sir, you might, because you have studied a lot, because I know, sir, how much comprehensive knowledge you have, and you are holding that chair. शेख उल आलम ने कहा तब आप खा सकते हो अन्न जब आपके पास ट्रेजर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रहेगा, वन रहेगा. एंड इट हैज सो मेनी डायमेंशंस. The an is not only food, because he was himself controlling the food. Even he was taking 2 drops of water. Mutawalli Saab is here. He is from their descendants. He was basically taking 2 or 3 drops of the water. But he was telling us that an, which nourishes your brain, which nourishes your spirit, which nourishes your body, which nourishes, because body is nothing. What is body? Spirit is everything. And today it is a conference of spirituality. Damdar is just back side. He is on the last row, Mr. Damdar, Manzoor Damdar. I know there were 1 lakh people in the Shair Khas about all his people when we released his book in this Astan Sharif. Dasgir Saab Astan Sharif. And we are thankful to you because I brought it in your notice. If you remember very well, sir, you were on leave at your home. I brought in your notice that our Dasgir Saab has been stolen. They have broken, burglars have, and you have so promptly acted, sir. So promptly that those burglars have been arrested. Because we Sufiyat in Kashmir, we are actually, every Kashmiri is a Sufi. Every Kashmiri is a Atiqadi. It is only these 75 years that some streams have come, some new literature of hate. Cannot be, because we Sufis we don't believe in violence to be countered with violence. No, we believe in convincing. That's why, if literature of hate has come during 75 years, Tawseef knows from Avantipora. When Tawseef, you remember when I released a book which countered the book of hate of Gulab. That hate book was countered by a very good book of Tasawwuf. So Tasawwuf is such a thing. Today, if we are giving you 111 books today, we are, and in such a galaxy of the personalities, we are actually giving a message to the world through the media, through all people who are here. We are giving a message to the world that only literature can be, a bad literature of last 70 years can be countered and can be neutralized by a good literature. Haki Saab can understand it very well. Because since he has taken over as the head of department of Markaz-e-Noor, we have seen, and we are going to hold, I think, 11 days similar conference very soon in the university. I was talking with the Haki Saab that I think today we are making about announcement of that also, where we will be getting the ambassadors of different countries. Like Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, who do believe in this same ideology of love. If ideology of love is to be kept alive, Divisional Commissioner Saab, we all here need your personal attention, personal patronage, because what has happened since in 1944 there was the leftist rise in Kashmir. So our culture has been hijacked by those ideologies of hate. Our libraries are full and flooded with the books of hate. You won't find these books in the library. Tell any author. Is library purchasing your books? Never. J&K government, never. Have they purchased? No. They will purchase those books which are being Billy Mara. They publish in Billy Mara or somewhere 15 rupees, 20 rupees, the book of hate. And that book of hate goes to the government library. That era is to be ended, sir. And we are hopeful that you will give a personal attention to this. And even I was telling, if it would have been nice if Tagore Hall names would have been Sheikh ul Alam name. I kept the name of airport as the Deputy Commissioner Badgam, as the Sheikh Al Alam International Airport, because they are our icons. They are our icons. When our Prime Minister can in the Parliament say, I quote him, I quote the present Prime Minister, who said in the Parliament recently that Kashmir's identity, Jawar Sahab, God se sune, Kashmir's identity is Sheikh Al Alam. Kashmir's identity is Hazrat Bulbul Shah. Kashmir's identity is Hazrat Amir Kabir. And this identity, this group of people are determined to maintain it. Right? Sultanul Mahbubul Alam, where at the conclusion, what Noorani Saab has pointed out, at conclusion, you are also heading the Smart City, sir. Deputy Commissioner was also telling me just now that Smart City meeting they had under your supervision. He was telling just now. There is a Mullah Shah Mosque near the Mahbuba Alam. There is unattended. It is more important than the Babri Mosque. It was made during the Mughal era. Pathar Masjid. Yesterday we had a fire incident in the Pathar Masjid. Naqshband Sahab. So such, please take attention of, they have been ignored. Our 7,777 shrines, graves of our awliyas have been completely ignored during last assembly. Thomas Fakir, see, completely ignored. So I am sure, sir, I will not take much of the time because we have to honor these people here. So I will not take much time, but I am sure, sir, this conference will yield into a very good note that Divisional Commissioner has himself inaugurated it, and whatever papers will be read, passed, we will send it to you, to your office, what has been and what has been recommended by which scholar, and it will be brought in your notice and the notice of the entire top administration. Thank you very much.